Now, here's today's trader tip on the surging stocks in the market.
This is Scott Bauer with Prosper Trading Academy. I've been trading for nearly 30 years, on the floor, as a professional, off the floor, and maybe only one or two other times have I ever seen an environment like this with the amount of FOMO, the fear of missing out in certain stocks. And with the short covering that we're seeing going on right now in stocks like GameStop and BB, Bed Bath & Beyond, Plug, where these stocks have literally just gone vertical, it's very hard to trade both fundamentally and or technically in those stocks. So if you are going to trade in those, my advice is you have to know your risk ahead of time. You have to be willing to accept the worst case scenario. You have to be willing to accept maximum loss in trading any of these FOMO stocks. Now, in one of these stocks, GameStop, quite frankly, that we've seen go from $5 to $120, I'm actually on the anti on that. And I just bought some put butterflies going out to February. Some very, very inexpensive downside put butterflies around the 55 and the 40 strikes, actually centered on the 40 strike. And I'm looking for this FOMO to kind of just pull back and ease a little bit, because there is no rationality behind some of the, the way that some of these stocks are trading. So listen, I know what my ultimate risk is. I actually bought the 55, 40, 35 put butterfly. Yes, that's, at this point, $60, $70 out of the money for February. And I paid a couple dollars for that. That's my maximum risk. I can't lose more than that. The payoff is big, and it should be if you're going to trade in a very risky type of situation like this. Make sure your reward to risk is really high. Make sure if you're taking a higher level of risk that reward is also a bigger payout. But always, 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 did I say always? Always keep your trades risk defined. This is Scott Bauer with Prosper Trading Academy.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.